Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Made Easy. I am Dr. Rashmi Gupta. Today's topic is astronomical telescope in normal adjustment. All of you know telescope is used to see the far object, distant object clearly. So today I will teach you how to make simple ray diagram for the normal adjustment of a telescope. It's a very important topic for the CBSE board exam. It used to come as a 3-mark question to draw the ray diagram of astronomical telescope in normal adjustment and write the magnification for the telescope. So, I will tell you how to make a simple ray diagram without any extra efforts. Axis. As you know, astronomical telescope is used to see the far object of bigger size. Therefore, the focal length of the objective is much higher than the focal length of the eyepiece. Aperture of the objective lens should be bigger. तो आपको थोड़ा बड़ा लेंस कॉन्वेक्स लेंस बनाना है. Another thing, eyepiece is again smaller, of a smaller focal length. Idea is to increase the magnifying power, the FE should be less than FO because final formula आता है FO over FE, right? Now, astronomical telescope in normal adjustment, meaning is object is at infinity and image is also formed at infinity. So here the object is at infinity. It means the incident rays are parallel beam. But here we will take a slanted parallel beam such that it is making angle alpha with the principal axis. Now, the image, because the object is at infinity, the image will be formed at focus point of the objective. But as we have taken a slanted one, so we will get the image in the focal plane of the objective. Correct? For the position of the image, extend the ray which is passing through the optical center without any deviation. Merge this ray with B dash. कुछ सोचना नहीं है, सीधे B dash पे उसको merge कर देना है. Now the final image in case of normal adjustment will be formed at infinity. So this point is also the focus point of the eyepiece, or you can say the A dash B dash will be at the focal plane of the eyepiece. Take the two rays. One is parallel, other passing through the optical center of eyepiece. These two rays are not meeting, so parallel बनाएंगे and this shows the final image is formed at infinity. Image हमारी बन रही है infinity पे, object रखा है infinity पे. This is called normal adjustment, right? Alpha is the vertical opposite angle. Beta is the angle made by the image. Actually में magnifying power is defined as beta over alpha. What is beta? Angle subtended by the image at the eye, and alpha is the angle subtended by the object at the eye when both are placed at infinity, right? So beta and alpha. We will get the magnifying power M is equal to FO by FE, and distance between the two lenses is denoted as L, and it will be the FO, the focal length of the objective, and FE, the sum of the focal length of objective and eyepiece. This distance is L, right? तो मैग्नीफाइंग पावर बढ़ाने के लिए FE should be small, FO should be large. Objective lens of a bigger size, bigger aperture, eyepiece of a smaller size, smaller aperture should be used in astronomical telescope. Okay, so this way you can make simple ray diagram of astronomical telescope in normal adjustment. Thank you. Enjoy learning physics. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. I post video every Thursday covering important topics of class 11th and 12th. Comment the topics below you wish to study. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.